This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Ghost Game updated. Start by defining core mechanics, choose an engine like Unity or Godot, and sketch a simple level layout. Create a player controller focused on stealth and fear reactions, implement AI that responds to sound and light, and balance pacing with timed scares. Playtest early, gather feedback, and iterate until the scares feel fair and fun, then polish. Build atmosphere using simple assets, layered sound, and clever lighting to sell the scares. Block out environments fast, then replace placeholders once mechanics feel right. Use ambient audio loops, subtle footsteps, and isolated jump cues to guide player attention. Tweak emissive lights, fog, and shadows to conceal and reveal threats. Keep asset files optimized and test on target hardware frequently to avoid performance surprises. Focus AI on believable detection and pursuit to make encounters tense but fair. Use sound propagation and sight cones to let skilled players evade enemies reliably. Tie fear systems to player control. Shaky camera, blurred vision, or slowed movement increase stakes without cheap deaths. Provide limited countermeasures like hiding, distractions, or consumables to encourage choice. Iterate on tuning until gameplay feels suspenseful and satisfying for many playstyles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.